Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we can see how to upload any videos from your system to your YouTube. So from basic to end, I will explain. So before that, if you not like this video, if you not subscribe our channel, please subscribe and please like, share and comment. So let's get into the video. So once I got the video, any video from but our own video, so we need to upload the video to the YouTube, so our channel. So let's open the Google Chrome, then we can log in our channel right side from top of the corner. So I already log in, so I don't need to log in again. So once we log in, we can upload from direct here. See the create video, the left side, just third option. So we need to click this. So upload video. Once it will be open like this, will open like so. We need to bring any video from here. So I created some videos. I will bring one of the video from here. So I will upload this video. So drag, or you can select like this. Select files from here also. You can select. Once it will be come like this, so we need to give the title, the best title for the relevant title for video. So I'll give this here. So this is my title. So here we can give the hashtags. Here we can give the hashtags. Hashtags means some, you can see some videos, the upper top of the title bar, there is some hashtags names, hashtags. So what is the use of hashtags? It will become directly, if anybody search the simple that video, it will be come on the top of the place. So I will give for that. Here for we need to give only 3 hashtags names. So be careful and be best. So I'll give the 3 names. So once I will select, it's not important, but I can select one thing, how to change password like that. So once the video upload it will be display the thumbnail. So once video uploaded, so thumbnail we can display like this, or we can keep this one or this one or this one. I can keep this one for related to my video. So once, is this video made for kids? Not only kids, right? So no, it's not made for kids. So age restrictions, no need to age restrictions. No, don't restrict my video viewers overall 18. So more option. In this option we can see here tag me. We can give some other names also. If anybody search that names, our video will come to the video list. So viewers list. So here I can give some names. enter, and then give another name. I'll give the some names. Then here language, what language our video language? English. It's all already default settings. So regarding date, we can give the our today date or license and distributions. So already all is already given. So video for the education to educate the peoples how to like that. So comment visibility, allow all comments. So then next. So once it will come like this, then go the next. So video public or private or unlisted. So if you want public, just we need to show the public, right? So public. Then select the publish. So if you want to share your videos to your friends, you can. So once you can share this link to your friends, so then only they can see direct your video, then close. So it will become listed on our YouTube video list. See, publish and the restrictions none, date, today date 14th. So this is how we can upload video from any video from our system to YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your patience, and please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe, you will see the more better videos. Thank you.